Hello everybody, welcome to our e-learning expertise, EduTune. I'm 𝐒𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐲, public speaking instructor and language mentor at EduTune. Today we are going to learn the actual pronunciations of some common words that we pronounced previously wrong. Alright, okay, so let's commence. So the first word I'm writing, okay, আগে আমরা এটাকে pronounce করতাম medicine, but the actual pronunciation we need to know. The right pronunciation is medicine. Instead of medicine, you need to pronounce the actual pronunciation medicine. Alright, okay, if I make a sentence like, I had a bad cough, the medicine worked well, the medicine was effective. No matter where you locate this word in your sentences, the right pronunciation is medicine always instead of medicine. Alright. The second word I'm writing, this is the common word we know, but we need to know the right pronunciation. The right pronunciation of the word is zero. বাংলায় হ কথাটা এনে তারপরে pronounce করতে হবে. So the right pronunciation is zero, not zero. Okay, if I make a funny sentence, my friend got zero in mathematics. Okay. The third word is, alright, so this is one of the finest words we use in our day-to-day life conversation. The right pronunciation of the word is respect instead of respect. We pronounce commonly this word respect, but this is wrong. The right one is respect. We need to respect everybody. Okay, respect, the right pronunciation. Okay, let's go to see the other words. এটার প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা আমরা কমনলি ভুল করে থাকি। এটার প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন হলো প্রসিজার। এটাকে আমরা বলে থাকি প্রসিডিউর। Instead of this common pronunciation procedure, we need to pronounce procedure. Alright, the work has lots of procedure. Alright. The last word is, alright, could you please give the right pronunciation of the last word? We always pronounced it education. Alright, education. But the right pronunciation is বাংলাতে ঝ এনে তারপর উচ্চারণ করতে হবে. Education, not education, education. The right one is education. Education is necessary for all. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed a lot and we will meet again with some other interesting topics. Alright, stay tuned with EduTune, stay around. Goodbye.